Oh, hey there, how are you? Look what I just bought. It's a new book, and I'm so excited to read it. Hey, Ogot, look what I...
Not again! I give up!
Oh no, Ogot. What's wrong?
It's so hard to make these shapes.
Well, you do have a lot of shapes there, and they look good. But I think you need to fix a bit of the...
Exactly. I keep on repeating, and I keep on making mistakes.
It's okay, Ogot. I know it can be hard at the beginning, but with a little practice and patience, I'm sure you could do it.
Practice and patience. What is patience?
Well, patience means that you do not easily get angry or give up when doing a difficult task.
Oh, I see. I need to have patience.
Practice and patience, and maybe a little music might help. A circle's like a wheel, a circle's like a wheel. Round, round, it never stops. A circle's like a wheel. A square is like a frame, a square is like a frame. It has four sides, they are the same. A square is like a frame. A triangle has three sides, a triangle has three sides. Up the mountain, down and back, a triangle has three sides. A rectangle has four sides, a rectangle has four sides. Two are long and two are short, a rectangle has four sides.
Look, my drawing is looking better.
See, I told you, practice and patience.
And a little music.
Okay, I'll leave you now while you do your...
Where are you going?
Well, I was going to read my new book.
Can you sing with me instead?
Sure, but aren't you going to draw?
You said that a little music helps, so let's sing together while I draw.
Okay, let's go. Let's count the shapes. I will show you pictures, then you have to tell me how many shapes you see. Okay, let's start. Look closely. How many squares do you see? There are 9 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How about here? How many circles can you find? I don't think that's the answer. Count it again. Correct! There are 12 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 circles. Now let's look for triangles. How many triangles can you find? There are 7 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job! This is the last one. How many rectangles can you see here? There are 10 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can find different shapes everywhere. Try looking for squares, circles, triangles, and rectangles around you.